It is time for our new 5 below 5, and this week we are having fun with two different themes. Each pack of your Mila and Z fabric is packed in a 1 yard pack in a plastic, and it's got a nice little ribbon around it, right? This is 100% cotton. It's quilt's cotton, the best quality that you've ever touched, right? And we've got a bee theme this week. Just look at the beautiful green color. The beehives and the buzz around it. This is a must-have fabric. If you like bees, then definitely this is the fabric for you. All of these matching fabrics work so well with this color scheme. Just look at this beautiful bright yellow. You can see the beehive with the gold and the very much yellow effect, the green and turquoise hues that you can see inside of the fabric. Just absolutely fabulous. Just look how beautiful it's matching with this. Then we've got another one that is absolutely beautiful. I really like at the back that you've got the beehive effect, and each one has got like different blocks and colors in them. A honey jar, and it is just such a beautiful honey fabric. Then still in this matching with this colors, right, is the flowers and the honey jars, some friendly bees, and it's absolutely fabulous. The beehives. Just look at that, how well this is all matching the one with the other. Also matching in a nice black color. These larger flowers still in the yellow and turquoise colors with the bees. Just so beautiful. Just look at that stippling on the black with the yellow. It's absolutely magical. And then we've got the smaller, still the same flowers, matching all of these in the turquoise, black, and yellow colors. It is so fabulous. And then we've got some beehive blocks over there, right? So the next one is the koalas. I really do like them. I love the eucalyptus effect on this. You can see all of these beautiful colors for the eucalyptus, and it is some greens, right? Just look at this. It's absolutely fabulous, the pattern, right? And all of them are like matching the one with the other one. Over here, you've got the larger eucalyptus, and it is just so pretty. There is a darker shade and a lighter shade. The colors are just so beautiful on these greens. I'm so in love with this. And then matching with this is the black background koalas with some pink in there. Really, really pretty. They are sleeping. Little koala and the mama, really, really cute. And then there is also some greens and pinks matching with these, looking absolutely fabulous. This is one of the most beautiful fabrics I've ever seen. The bright pinks, the greens, it's fabulous. And then also matching, look how beautiful this is matching. Some more koala mamas. This one is more realistic one with all the greens and the pinks. They're just so beautiful, right? And I can see a ton of ways that you can use them. And then in the matching ones, this is almost like a watercolor eucalyptus. It's really, really pretty. Look at all the green colors and splashes. And then there is almost like an olive branch that is just complementing all of this. So this is our 5 below 5. It means that you will only pay $4.99 each for one of these 1 yard packs. Hurry over to the Fabric Fun shop and grab them. Stock are low, so get some, because you will never find this unique prints at this price. Go get your bees, get your koalas at the Fabric Fun shop.